Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 metre wave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 078481382, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Navara D40 RX dual cab ute. Stock reference number 3838. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The front has a good tyre. Have a left manual door mirror. Left door has a previous repair and a couple of dents. Left rear door also has a couple of dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have TJM sports ladder racks. Left hand tail lights in good condition. Tailgate's not too bad. It does have a few small dents on top and a couple of small dents throughout the centre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has a fair few small dents and a fold on the bottom edge. Right manual door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central lock type. This vehicle is fitted with a grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.